In a move that has sparked both praise and controversy, the Long Island Power Authority, LIPA, has boldly decided to extend its contract with PSEG to manage the region's electric grid for another 5 years, despite a fierce legal challenge from Quanta Services. But here's where it gets controversial. This decision comes just days after a judge ordered both parties to address the possibility of a restraining order blocking the extension. So, why the rush? And what does this mean for ratepayers, competition, and the future of Long Island's energy landscape? Let's dive in. On Thursday, LIPA's Board of Trustees voted in favor of the extension, citing lower costs for consumers and increased accountability for PSEG. Valerie Anderson Campbell, vice chair of the board, framed the decision as a win for ratepayers, stating, "This agreement builds on the 2022 reforms, delivering tangible improvements while advancing our mission of reliability and affordability." Yet this rosy outlook is overshadowed by Quanta Services' lawsuit, which claims LIPA's bidding process was unfair and deeply flawed. And this is the part most people miss. The New York State Inspector General is now investigating whether improper influence tainted the procurement process, adding another layer of complexity to this already heated debate. The $493 million contract extension, which runs until 2030, includes several sweeteners for LIPA. Officials highlight more transparent reimbursement provisions from the Federal Emergency Management Agency, FEMA, to avoid costly legal battles, as well as a management service fee that will save ratepayers $17 million. Additionally, the extension mandates monthly budget discussions to keep LIPA informed of financial adjustments and ties at least half of PSEG's variable compensation to measurable performance metrics. These changes, LIPA argues, will ensure greater oversight and efficiency. PSEG, which has managed Long Island's electric grid since 2014, welcomed the extension. Ralph LaRosa, PSEG's board chair, president, and CEO, stated, "We are proud to continue our successful partnership with LIPA and improve electric service on Long Island and in the Rockaways." Meanwhile, Quanta Services has yet to comment publicly on the vote, though their court filings paint a picture of a bidding process they believe was rigged against them. Here's the bigger question. Is LIPA prioritizing stability and cost savings for ratepayers? Or is this extension a missed opportunity to introduce fresh competition into the market? With a new competitive procurement process set to begin in 2028, some argue that extending PSEG's contract now could stifle innovation and limit consumer choice. Others counter that PSEG's proven track record makes them the safer bet for ensuring reliable service. As the state attorney general and comptroller review the contract before final approval, one thing is clear. This decision is far from settled. The ongoing investigations and legal battles mean this story is just beginning. What do you think? Is LIPA making the right call? Or should they have explored other options? Let us know in the comments. This debate is far from over.